Worried about the future of your investments? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can buy Bitcoin, Ethereum and other popular cryptocurrencies in 2022 so that you don't have to worry about losing your money. Hey there! My name is Mr. FOMO, and in this video I'm going to show you the best methods for buying Bitcoin, Ethereum and other popular cryptocurrencies in 2022. A lot of people are worried about the future of their investments, but with this guide you'll be able to rest easy knowing that your money is safe. So without further ado, let's get started. 1. Get a Bitcoin wallet. A Bitcoin wallet is essential if you want to use Bitcoin. It stores the private keys that you need to access your Bitcoins. There are different types of wallets, and each has its own set of features. For example, some wallets allow you to store multiple Bitcoins, while others only support a single address. Some wallets are designed for security, while others are more user-friendly. Which wallet is right for you depends on your needs and preferences. If you want the highest level of security, you should consider a hardware wallet. These devices usually come with a USB connection and can be stored offline. However, they can be expensive and may not be as user-friendly as other types of wallets. If you're just starting out with Bitcoin, you may want to consider a software wallet. These wallets are easy to use and can be installed on your computer or mobile device. However, they're not as secure as hardware wallets because they're connected to the internet. One popular software wallet is the blockchain wallet. This wallet supports multiple currencies and allows you to store your private keys in a variety of formats. You can also use it to send and receive payments. There's no one perfect Bitcoin wallet for everyone. The best way to find the right wallet for you is to experiment with different options and see which one works best for your needs. 2. Buy Bitcoin on an exchange. Cryptocurrencies are becoming more and more popular, and Bitcoin is leading the pack. If you're looking to get in on the action, you'll need to know how to buy Bitcoin on an exchange. Here's a step-by-step guide. Firstly, find a reputable exchange. There are many different exchanges to choose from, so it's important to do your research before selecting one. In addition to fees and security measures, you'll also want to consider things like ease of use and customer support. Secondly, create an account. Once you've found an exchange that meets your needs, you'll need to create an account. This usually involves providing some personal information, such as your name and email address. You may also be required to verify your identity by providing additional documentation. Thirdly, deposit funds. Once your account is set up, you'll need to deposit funds into it. This can typically be done via bank transfer or credit/debit card. Depending on the exchange, there may be a minimum amount required for deposit. Finally, now you're ready to buy Bitcoin. On most exchanges, you'll need to select the amount of BTC you want to purchase and place an order. Once your order is filled, the Bitcoin will be deposited into your account. Congratulations, you're now a cryptocurrency owner. 3. Mine Bitcoin yourself. If you're like most people, you're probably wondering how to mine Bitcoin yourself. After all, with the recent surge in Bitcoin's value, it's only natural that you would want to get in on the action. Luckily, it's actually not that difficult to get started. In fact, with a little time and effort, anyone can start mining Bitcoin. There are a few things you'll need to get started, including a computer with a powerful graphics card. You'll also need to join a mining pool, which is a group of miners who work together to mine Bitcoin. By pooling their resources, miners are able to increase their chances of successful mining while reducing their individual risks. Once you've set up your mining rig and joined a pool, you can start earning Bitcoin. Every time you successfully mine a block of Bitcoin, you'll receive a reward in the form of new coins. The amount of Bitcoin you can earn will depend on the power of your computer and the size of the mining pool you've joined. However, with enough perseverance, anyone can start earning Bitcoin. So what are you waiting for? Get started today and begin reaping the rewards of Bitcoin mining. Please feel free to subscribe and smash that like button if you liked the video so far. Also, let me know in the comments what are your thoughts about it. 4. Use a cryptocurrency debit card to spend your coins anywhere Visa is accepted. A cryptocurrency debit card allows you to spend your coins anywhere Visa is accepted. This is a great way to use your coins for everyday expenses, such as groceries, gas, and even online shopping. To use a cryptocurrency debit card, you first need to purchase one from a reputable provider. Once you have your card, you can then add funds to it using your coins. Some cards allow you to convert your coins into fiat currency, USD, EUR, etc., while others let you spend your coins directly. Once you have added funds to your card, you can then use it like any other debit or credit card. You can swipe it at a point of sale terminal, or use it for online purchases. Cryptocurrency debit cards are a convenient way to spend your coins, and they can be used anywhere Visa is accepted. 5. Trade Ethereum and other popular cryptocurrencies on a crypto exchange. Bitcoin and Ethereum are two of the most popular cryptocurrencies, and they can be traded on a crypto exchange. A crypto exchange is an online platform that allows users to buy and sell cryptocurrencies. There are many different crypto exchanges, and each one offers different features. Some exchanges only allow trading between a limited number of currencies, while others offer a more expansive selection. When choosing a crypto exchange, it's important to consider the fees, payment methods, and security features. Exchanges also vary in terms of liquidity, which is the number of coins that can be bought or sold at any given time. The most important thing is to find an exchange that meets your needs and trade safely. 6. Convert your cryptocurrencies into cash when you need it. Cryptocurrencies have become increasingly popular in recent years, as more and more people look for alternatives to traditional fiat currencies. However, one of the challenges of dealing in cryptocurrencies is that it can be difficult to convert them into cash when you need it. Here are a few methods that can help you convert your cryptocurrency holdings into cold, hard cash. One option is to use a cryptocurrency exchange that offers fiat to crypto or crypto to fiat pairs. This can be a convenient way to convert your cryptocurrency into cash, although it may require you to pay fees and commissions. Another option is to find a local buyer who is willing to pay cash for your cryptocurrency. You can search online forums or meetups dedicated to cryptocurrencies, or simply put up a sign in a local store or coffee shop. Finally, if you need cash in a hurry, you can always try selling your cryptocurrency directly to an ATM. Many ATMs now offer the option to buy or sell Bitcoin, and some even offer other altcoins. Just be sure to check the fees before you use this method, as they can be quite high. Now that you have a better understanding of how to get started with Bitcoin, it's time to take action. Follow the steps outlined in this video and you'll be well on your way to becoming a cryptocurrency expert in no time. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more great content like this. Thanks for watching.